Hello, welcome to the RC Block. I'm Jamie Nitro, and thank you for tuning in. Tonight, I'm going to be talking about this beautiful Cison V8 engine. And what I am going to be doing and taking you along for the ride is replacing this big, hulky looking DC motor with a beautiful and sleek low profile gold brushless outrunner motor. So let's get started and let's get going. What I'm going to do first is let's break some bolts free. Oh, these aren't too bad. It must make it pretty easy so you can go ahead and adjust the backlash in the first place. Now I will remove this gauge. Now we're going to be nice and tight. Okay, good thing. Now that came off nice and easy, no drama, thank goodness. If there was drama, I'd probably end up having to heat up that set screw. I really don't want to. If I don't have to, I don't have to. So great. I'm cool. I'm down with that. No, this guy can come off easily. Like 2 set screws pulling one. Did I speak too soon? No, in situations like this, I don't really, but let's see if I can just get under the gear a little bit there. If I can't really get under it, then I'm not going to try too hard. Yeah, everything should come out no problem. Try a little flathead underneath. Be careful you're not gently pry it up, get under the back of the gear until it comes off. There we go, no drama, no drama. That thing is massively heavy compared to this thing is so lightweight. My goodness. That's all good though, that's all good. These outrunners produce a lot more torque. I like that. The torque would be nice. Now we got 2 choices here, and I think I'm gonna go with the bigger choice. And it even looks like they give you same size or what? I've never used these ones. Yep, they're the same size. Okay, so now I can go ahead and put this guy on here, but I'm not gonna go and torque it up yet. I'm just gonna put it on loosely, and I can Loctite down everything later. Now, this is gonna go in this direction on the motor with a little bevel there. Yeah, so that's gonna have to go that way, which means I want the wires to come out in that direction there. Oh, I like that. Perfect. Now let's put those in. Now later time I will go and Loctite everything, but for right now all I want to do is just get it all ready to go for build time. I'll put it in there loosey goosey. Oh, this is, I've done this mod to every motor I've owned, and it is fantastic. So, you don't have to super tighten down this part right now. I used to work at a RC car counter. Many years of setting the backlash on these RC cars has taught me exactly how much you need to have. And I think on this part I can go ahead and tighten it down, and I'm happy with where the gear is sitting. Not happy, so I'm going to move it forward a bit more. I got room. Excellent. Yeah, I'm good with that right there. Alright, so if I'm happy with that, I might as well Loctite this gear in place, because then I don't have to worry about it later. I can just focus on the big gear. Actually, I can do all of that right now. How great is this? Man, this motor is so awesome. I'm just having way too much fun. Alright, so we'll put the set screw in now. We'll lock the gear onto the motor. We've got the height that we want. And then we want to make sure we still got play on this gear. We don't want this guy to be too constrained. We don't want him to be constrained. Okay. Now that I have that set where I want it, I should go a little bit more out. Just a tad. Nice and tight. Alright, now for all your Cison owners there, we'll set the gear mesh. So it actually already feels pretty good, but let's and that can move up easily. Very little backlash, but I think I'm gonna put a tad more. And just Loctite the last screw back into place. Once you got this together, you're not gonna have to do anything else other than putting it and adjusting this to the flywheel. So that makes things nice. Okay, let's show it right here. Still moves up nice and easily. A little bit of backlap, beautiful, exactly what I'd want. I'll take this side down. That means now I can Loctite this side down, and we are done. And then you can see what a difference it is. Going to a brushless motor, definitely the way to go. Little bit of Loctite, let it dry for a while. I mean, really with Loctite, give it a couple hours. It's pretty dry, but if you give it 24 hours, then it's really nice and curious. Okay. Maybe just a little bit more. There we go. Very little backlash. You probably can't even see it on the camera. but that will equate to very nice smooth running. And as I was saying, doesn't that look way better? Alright, well, thank you for watching. I hope you had a good time, enjoyed the video. Good luck on your next build. Bye for now.